Researchers at ICFAI University in Tripura have developed a prototype of a solar-powered wheelchair. The International Solar Innovation Council in Finland is providing financial backing to the project, which aims to improve mobility and give independence to the elderly and those with physical disabilities. The creator of the wheelchair also had a personal reason behind doing what he did.
As I have told you earlier that one of my niece has CP, so he can't move. He requires a wheelchair, and that is a person is always required for along with him to move. So this is a self-dependent that will provide freedom for those people who require a support for movement. That this wheelchair will provide them freedom or liberty for doing that one.
The team spent about a year developing and perfecting the prototype, taking into account the feedback from people with physical disabilities who tested it.
In powered wheelchair, the design is very much complex and it is of high cost, so general people cannot afford that thing. So we have that concept in our mind that this should be of low cost, and moreover the design should be simple. That's why keeping that thing in our mind, we have designed it in such a way so that it can be manufactured easily in a workshop.
The wheelchair has an integrated automated speedometer, a horn, LED lights, and indicators for enhanced functionality.
So speciality of this one is it is a hybrid type solar powered wheelchair, and as you can see it has flexible solar panel, then it has hybrid charge controller, it has different types of your power steering. Power steering means strong steering for moving purpose. It is just not like that power steering of cars.
Officials from the Tripura Renewable Energy Development Agency and the state's Science and Technology Department observed the successful testing of the solar-powered wheelchair during an exhibition.
Let me tell you, this prototype is already tested and this is being used, and we are planning to make it more commercially available in more number. So once that comes, then it will create entrepreneurship activities in the state, which will generate employment and also help and mitigate the difficulties of the disabled and elderly people.
The Vice Chancellor of ICFAI University commended the team, pointing out that such innovations encourage others, including students, to pursue research.